Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to talk about just Maskcara Beauty 101, just giving you the basics. I know it can be overwhelming when if you're color matched and you get all these colors that are recommended to you, but trust me, it's not. Once you get the hang of it, it saves you time. It is life-changing how you approach your makeup, and it's all easily in one compact for you. So you're not wasting time reaching for all your makeup. Everything is available to you right at the tip of your hands. So the first thing what's revolutionary about Maskcara Beauty is that it's 3D foundation. Now, what that means is obviously we're not one-dimensional. So just putting one color on your face isn't going to give it that glow, that what you really truly are. And so with mascara, you will be color matched to your specific needs. So for me, I sometimes have redness with acne, so I will use Mango first. That is a foundation color that I apply lightly first, and then I'll use my main color. So everything is focused on your dark points of your skin and the lighter, and when it's all layered together, you come out looking amazing. And it's, again, life-changing how you will approach your makeup. Here's all my foundations. I have some contour here at the end, but when they're all mixed together, it creates the most beautiful look. Don't be scared what the colors look like in the tin. When they are put on your face, they're completely different. You know, Mango is more of a orange looking, and at first I'm like, I don't know what that's gonna look like, but it combats the redness of your face. And with my candlelit over it, it just looks beautiful. And then the contour, just that dimension, and then you add your illumination to give you that glow. It's, you know, it's why I love mascara and why it's creative and only to our brand. And another thing is, as we get older, and I have mature skin, I'm 51, the colors you may be using 5-10 years ago won't be the same that you're using today. So some people will be surprised when they're color matched that, you know, I'm never used colors like that before. So when you're color matched, like I said, don't be scared what it looks like on the tin and what it looks like on your face. As we grow older, you'll have to get color matched again, you know, because that changes. And this makeup is great for mature skin like mine because it just doesn't sit on your skin. It sits in, it goes with your skin, so it doesn't look caked on, and it is beautiful and natural. So you'll have your highlights. Like I said, I have my color correct highlight, and then I have my main highlight. Some people may not even need the color correct. And then you have your highlight, your brightener. And that will be applied to areas of your face that will just really make you pop. I apply it under my eyes, and then you make it come down like a V. And then you're gonna just apply it also like a upside down triangle on your forehead. And then a little bit here, and then on your chin, brighten it, and you'll really see the difference. And I'll show you that when you apply it, what a difference it makes. And then contour. you know, you'll be matched to a contour that works best for your skin tone. But you can experiment with so many and see what they look like on you. And I have used contours that I didn't think would look as good on me that really do. So that's fun experimenting. And also with the contours, I've used this one, which is Astoria today, and I've already applied it to my eyebrows. I need that. My eyebrows are very sparse, and it's great that, you know, I can use the contour different areas on my face, and you can also use it on your lips too as a lip liner. And there's other colors too. I know indigo is a great color to use if you wanted to for a lip liner. So I'm just going to quickly go through some of that, and just with all that, you'll have your own compact and ready to go. You can get this size compact with your colors in it. You can have your contour, you can have your main highlight. This is another contour henna, which is another great one I love too. And this can be your brightener. And you can add, you know, take that out and add your illuminator, and there you go. And you can always add for fun any lip and cheek colors you like too. So really, that's all it is. And it lasts all day. This makeup is forgiving too, which is great. If you think you've applied too much, all you simply do is use your perfecting sponge and just dab to get it off, or if you just wanted to use one of our brushes, just to stipple and take more off. And that's what I love about it too. So many wonderful things. Okay, so let's get started putting on our foundations, highlights. We call them highlight. It's called highlights with mascara, the 3D. All of them together make your foundation on your face. So I am gonna apply just a little bit of mango. I'm feeling like I need that today, just to even everything out. I've had some breakouts here, and yeah, like I should be pointing them out too. I'm sure you can see them. So let's see, I'm gonna use this brush, and I'll make sure I name everything below, so don't worry. So mango is just gonna go on gently under your eyes for any darkness. That works wonderful. If you don't get enough sleep, it helps. So you're just dabbing, you're just going lightly. It's not a heavy coat. You don't want it caked on. Okay. Okay, so there's just some of my color correct on. I'm gonna go right to contour next. I love the contour. I'm gonna be using, you can either use either end of the hack brush, either end. It just really just depends on what I feel like that day. I am using the Astoria, like I said, and I always start above my ear and bring it on down, and you always want to stop right there at the end of the eye. You don't want it to go, and you want to curve it up just to kind of like hook it. I found just going like this gets the most out of it, out of the brush, and looks the best to me. So start here, you're going down, you see, you can feel your cheekbone, And then you just scoop it up a little bit. Okay, and then we just do the under the chin quickly, just to give that definition. And then on the hairline. And now we're going to do the nose. There's different ways you can nose contour. I have done with just my finger, and you want to get it right on that bone on the side. You can use this brush, lightly applying it. You can use the other end of it, applying it that way. I've used it always. Some days I just think I have more control when I use my finger. So today I feel like using my finger. So we're gonna just dab that. And we're gonna be, like I said, I'm using my mirror so I can get more definition that your eyes can pop. Just something on your eyes, and I just love how Bella Bronzer just wakes up the face. And then we can just do lip and cheeks. Now we're gonna use the other end of the B² brush, the cheek one, and you just dab it in there. The apples of your cheeks. You really wanna concentrate on the apples of your cheeks, and then you just lightly bring it back. Really want to concentrate on the apples so everybody sees. And then you gently go back and extend it to the Desert Sunset is absolutely gorgeous. I love it. And then we can just swipe it on those lips. And that is looking great. Last but not least, we can do Illuminator. Rose Gold is my favorite. And I'm gonna use my Perfector sponge for that. You can use your fingers, one of the brushes. Like I said, so much to choose from. I like this because it seems to give more of a dewy finish that I love. Down the nose a little. I need the Cupid's bow. Okay. So you're going above your blush. It's such a beautiful rose gold. And voila, you are done. If you like this video, please like it below and subscribe. If you're interested in a color match, below is the link for you, just to click that and just fill out a quick questionnaire form just so I can get an idea. And with your makeup-free selfie, you'll get your free custom color match. So thank you for listening, and I hope you learned something on my Maskcara Foundation 101. Thank you. Bye.